Crisis in Assam Congress deepens with the deadline set by dissident MLAs coming to an end. Rebel MLAs had urged central leadership to take a decision and demanded Tarun Gogoi's ouster. Is change of guard imminent in Assam?
Trouble seems to be far from over for the Congress. Chorus of dissent of the rebel MLAs against Chief Minister Tarun Gogoi in Assam is growing louder. And as the deadline served by the rebel MLAs to the central leadership of the party is nearing, the top brass seems to be running out of ideas to quell the rebellion.
Monday, a new hope, a new challenge, a better Assam. With this tweet, Himanta Biswa Sarma explaining what he thinks about the political situation in Assam. The rebel Congress MLA also took to the microblogging site to talk about how the Chief Minister Tarun Gogoi had wanted to meet him, but he preferred to wait for Monday. Monday, a day in which over 40 Congress rebel MLAs will announce whether they want to stay with the government or whether they want to pull out.
A change of guard now seems imminent. Dissident leader Himanta Biswa Sarma met Chief Minister Tarun Gogoi in Guwahati late last evening. And quite as expected, Himanta Biswa Sarma said that the rebel MLAs want the party leadership to fix the responsibility for the Lok Sabha poll rout.
I know that if there is no introspection, no accountability and no responsibility is fixed, then there is no future for us. But what decision will be taken, it is completely upon to the Congress leadership. But my view is that introspection and accountability should be there.
With all hopes pinned on today, a major decision seems to be on the cards. Is it time for Tarun Gogoi's ouster? Bureau Report, Times Now.